2025 Lexus NX 350h F Sport Hybrid, the stunning luxury SUV. Overall, the 2025 Lexus NX 350h F Sport Hybrid is a luxury SUV that offers the perfect combination of performance, efficiency, style, and features. The car is the perfect choice for those looking for a luxury SUV that can provide a fun and efficient driving experience. Welcome to Sytoxcar channel. Hello everyone. Today we want to talk to you about the 2025 Lexus NX 350h F Sport Hybrid, a stunning luxury SUV. The NX 350h F Sport Hybrid is a compact SUV that offers the perfect combination of performance, efficiency, and style. Under the hood, there's a powerful and efficient 2.5-liter gas engine, paired with two electric motors to produce a combined 240 horsepower. With standard all-wheel drive, the NX 350h F Sport Hybrid can accelerate from 0-60 mph in just 7.2 seconds. In addition to its impressive performance, the NX 350h F Sport Hybrid is also very efficient. The car has an EPA combined rating of up to 41 mpg, making it one of the most fuel-efficient luxury SUVs on the market. In terms of style, the NX 350h F Sport Hybrid features an aggressive and sporty design. The car is equipped with Lexus's signature spindle grille, LED headlights, and sporty bumpers. At the rear, there are wide LED taillights and a stylish rear diffuser. Inside, the NX 350h F Sport Hybrid offers a luxurious and sophisticated interior. The car is equipped with leather seats, heated front seats, and a 10.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system. In addition, the car is also equipped with a variety of advanced safety features, including Lexus's Safety Systems 3.0 driver assistance system. If you're looking for a luxury SUV that can provide a fun and efficient driving experience, then the 2025 Lexus NX 350h F Sport Hybrid is the right choice for you.